Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a hot flash and wrinkles makeup Monday video. And we are testing out the brand new Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation. That's what we're testing out. And it is new. In fact, I had to get it off their site because it's not in stores as of today. So this product, we loved the naked on my skin. It was great. So I'm hoping the Stay Naked is just as good. It is touted as a weightless liquid foundation with up to 24 hours wear. We will not be testing it for 24 hours. They say it comes in 50 shades. 3 base shades. Wait a minute. Yeah, 3 base shades and 7 undertone shades. I think that's what it said. My phone won't load it right now. It says flexible, breathable, real skin matte finish. Medium buildable coverage, does not transfer, minimizes the appearance of pores, stay true color, waterproof, vegan formula, does not contain animal derived ingredients or byproducts. That's what it says. So if you're interested in knowing how this holds up to hot flashes and whether it sinks into wrinkles, then you're in the right place. Stay tuned. Okay guys, let's get started. So this is the box. And this is, one thing I can say is I was very disappointed. This is a plastic bottle. For $39, I expect, and from Urban Decay, I expect glass. I don't mind plastic, but like I said, when I'm paying $39, I expect a nice glass bottle, and this is a plastic bottle. So, just saying, Urban Decay, step it up. I've got my drugstore ones are coming in glass bottles. So, it's just ridiculous that Urban Decay is using plastic. But anyways, moving on. So we are going to start by putting this on the back of my hand. And I put 2 pumps. I don't know why, I never use that much. I'm just going to dot it around and then spread it with a brush. It's a little dark. I hate trying to pick colors online. But this is so brand new. That's the only place you could get it. Okay, that's a lot. So let's just spread this out. See how much coverage we can get. It's supposed to be skin-like, but a buildable medium coverage. So that's what we're going for, buildable medium coverage. I have got a cat scratch right there. The evil one. She did that at night. She wanted me to wake up and pet her. Well, it's got good coverage, I think. I mean, I can still see stuff, but it is naked skin, so I want naked skin that's flawless, not naked skin that's got spots. We'll just try and build it up a little bit more in these spotty places. Now, spread that out just a little bit. And then we're going to go with the sponge. Now I'm going to take my sponge, my damp sponge, my too damp sponge. Look at my headband. Sticking up. Not doing a lot of good like that. We'll fix it. You're probably going to see me wearing my hair in a braid a lot. I used to do this all the time. Once a year, usually in the summertime, because it's hot, I will put my hair in a braid like this every day for a month. And I just started it on the 21st. So it's going to be this way for a while. I do take it down at night. I don't sleep with it like this. But then I just re-braid it every day. And I don't braid it wet either. Whenever I wash it, I try to wash it in the afternoon so it gets partially dry before I go to bed. Okay, it looks good. It's not full coverage though, just so you know. It is naked skin. You guys really liked that natural eye last week, so I think that's probably what we're going to do this week. Not last week, it was the week before when I did the natural one. Last week was purple. Alright, now we're going to go in with my Brighten Up powder. Make sure it's out of the wrinkles. It's not really sinking in up there. Just these ones, and I haven't been having trouble with these ones lately. For some reason, with the other foundations I've been using. So far, so good. I don't know if it's going to be my favorite because I really, really like that L'Oreal Fresh Wear. And I like the Wander Beauty one too. Alright, now I'm going to take my powder brush and spread this around to set the rest of my face. Now let's look and see. I'm putting new nails on tomorrow. I like to take them off and leave them off for a day. Let the air get to my poor nails. My poor nails that are always poor nails. I'm not saying that those nails don't damage your nails because you're using super glue. Everything gets damaged by super glue, of course. But I do believe that the super glue does not damage my nails as much as the acrylics did. And I love them so much more. I don't think I'll ever go back to acrylics because these ones, I don't have to go anywhere. It is kind of a pain making the pink and white ones. The solid colored ones were a lot easier, but I really like the looks of the pink and white ones, so it's worth it to me to keep those. I keep saying I'm going to make like 3 sets and have backups already made, but I never do because it takes me forever to make the one set. But it's still worth it. The price alone and the convenience of not having to go anywhere is just, it's incredible. I can't believe it took me so long to figure that out. And I'm trying out this, it seemed like I tried it out once, but I can't remember. So I don't know if I just swatched it and I can't get it open because I don't have any nails. But I have a pair of scissors there. Yeah, I don't think I've used it. Anyways, we're using this today. This is the L'Oreal Lumi Bronze It. And this is the lightest color. I don't really see a lot of luminosity to it for something that's labeled Lumi. I don't see any luminosity, actually. I mean, it's nice, but I just don't see the luminosity. That's all right. We'll add luminosity with the highlight. use this. We're going to use our Benefit Dallas blush. I know you guys probably thought I didn't like that anymore, but I do. I just was trying other ones for a little while, but I still love this one. And now I'm going to blend this out a little bit. Then I'm going to add my highlight. And I am going to use the Flower Beauty Shimmer and Strobe highlighting palette. And I'm going to use the pink and the champagne color together. So pretty. I'm going to go off camera, do the rest of my makeup, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. This is the look of the day. So we will give it our best. It is a little dry right here. I think that's because I put concealer on that spot though. And I've been putting different on that spot, which kind of dries out the skin, which is why I'm sure that's why this is like gone, except it's not gone. It's still red. That's why I put concealer on it. But I probably shouldn't have because it's very dry. So it is dry right there, but like I said, I think that's because of the concealer I put on it. Because I have other places that I've been putting the different on and they're not dry. So it's the concealer on that spot. It's just a bad spot, what can I say? Anyways, it's not sinking into wrinkles at this point, which is really great. Yep, it's not sinking into wrinkles at all. It looks really good right now. It looks perfect. It's not full coverage, it's medium coverage because I can still see a few dark spots shining through, but it's really smooth. It looks good. It looks really good. So I will be back at the end of the day to let you know how it held up to hot flashes, which I've actually already had hot flashes when I was putting it on, and it's fine. So I think it's going to be fine for the hot flashes. Let's see if, though, it starts sinking into wrinkles. That's the problem. So I'll be back at the end of the day to let you know how it did. Okay, guys, I am back. It is the end of the day. And I have to say, I'm a bit of a mess. I haven't worn eyelashes in a very long time, and I obviously have forgotten how to put them on because they're both lifting on the inside a little bit, and I am more than ready to take them off. But for my opinion on this foundation, I'm going to give it a meh, because right now it's got a dry spot right here, and I know that's where I put that concealer, but it seems like it's further down even than the concealer, because right now I'm not in love with it. I mean, it looks amazing on my cheeks, but my forehead, it looks good. It's not cakey or anything, but I'm just not sure yet. I want to give it some more time, so I'm going to give it a meh for now. I expected more from it because I love the Naked so much, but the Stay Naked, I'm on the fence. So anyways, that's our video for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And hit that little notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video.